A tree that is suitable for making gunpowder in fireworks. What a fantastic tree it is! Introducing Anabiong Trima orientalis of the family Cannabaceae. Anabiong is a medium to large size tree growing to 20 meters tall and attaining a diameter of 60 centimeters. It is a widespread tree in the Philippines, growing abundantly in open, dry grassland and waste places, occasionally associated with Cogon imperata cylindrica at low and medium elevations, generally associated with other pioneer tree species like ficus and macaranga. Anabyong is a large and fast-growing evergreen tree. Its soft, light wood is suitable for temporary construction work and for making wooden shoes, fruit boxes, fish net floats, pulp, and paper. It is also a good source of firewood and charcoal, even suitable for making gunpowder in fireworks. Leaves and bark decoctions treat some respiratory issues, including cough, asthma, and bronchitis. It relieves toothache and sore throat and treats gonorrhea, yellow fever, and dysentery. It is also an antidote to poisoning and vermifuges for deworming. The juice from macerating the softwood is used as a poultice to reduce swelling. Leaves and bark are also good sources of dye. The leaves, pods, and seeds are used as food for livestock in the Philippines. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.